was sitting on the harbor side, looking along the coastline and the bay. The sun was burning hot as he saw the boat about a mile away. It glided ever closer and effortlessly moored up to the quay, with a crew of 5 or 6 and an older guy who seemed to oversee. The girl was there among the crew, her long blonde hair behind her head was tied. He studied her intently as she made her way along the waterside. She saw him staring at her. She responded with a questioning half smile. He nodded in acknowledgement. She filled his mind completely for a while. There's a Coast Guard with binoculars looking from a window across the street, chewing gum and motionless while sweat beads line his forehead from the heat. Joel gets up from the harbor wall and deposits his newspaper in the bin, and saunters to the bar room where the people from the boat had just gone in. No one knows what happened next, but he was talking to her and she to him. A fight broke out in the other room, but neither of them heard a goddamn thing. She was like a book to him. He wanted to learn everything of her. Your food is getting cold next door, her uncle sent a messenger. She said her name was Sally. Her father had a textile factory. She tried her hand at marriage, but it wasn't as good as she expected it to be. Now she does her own thing, traveling all around and everywhere. She had him in a whirl, but he felt it best to keep his thoughts from her. Coast Guard with binoculars, still looking from a window across the street. Joel back on the harbor side, feeling bittersweet and incomplete. Carpenter hammering, repairing last night's damaged bar room. Both now in the distance, Joel hopes somehow they may resume.